Bonjour! Today, we're going to teach you how to count in French, starting right from the basics with les nombres, the numbers, 0 to 30. Let's get started. Let's say that you're going on a trip to Paris, but you're a little worried that you're not going to understand what the shopkeeper means when they say 22 euros s'il vous plaît. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much they want from you. Let's begin with the fundamental numbers. In French, counting from 0 to 10 is the foundation for all further counting. Repeat after me. Zéro, zéro, un, deux, deux, trois, trois, quatre, quatre, cinq, cinq, six, six, sept, sept, huit, huit, neuf, neuf, dix, dix. Practice these regularly to build a strong base. You can rewind the video if you want to try again. Now, let's tackle the tricky teens. In French, numbers from 11 to 16 have a unique structure. We'll start with 11. Onze, onze, douze, douze, treize, treize, quatorze, quatorze, quinze, quinze, seize, seize. Now, it can be a bit confusing about where these numbers come from and how on earth they make any sense, so let's break it down. 12, 12, has its root from deux. It's the same with trois and treize, quatre and quatorze, and six and seize. After 16, it becomes more straightforward. 17 to 19 are pretty simple to remember as long as you remember that 10 is 10 and how to say 7, 8, and 9. To form these numbers, you just add the separate numbers together. So you get 17, 17, 18, 18, and 19, 19. There's no easy trick to remember 20, unfortunately, so you're just going to have to memorize that 20 is 20. 20. Moving on to the 20s, things become more predictable. The pattern established in the teens continues with a simple addition. You're going to follow the same pattern that we just saw for 17 to 19 when forming the numbers in the 20s. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29. Again, you'll just have to remember that 30 is trente, trente. And there you go. You can now count from 0 to 30 in French. Bravo! You're all ready to touch down in Paris and shop till you drop. Or at least shop till you spend 30 euros. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you want to learn next. Merci beaucoup for joining us today. À bientôt!